Writing algebraic expressions. To write verbal phrases as algebraic expressions, follow the steps below in this box. So our steps are words, variable, and expression. The first step is to describe the situation using only the most important words. In the second step, choose a variable to represent the unknown quantity. We're going to be defining the variable. That means that we choose the variable, we choose the letter to represent the unknown, and decide what exactly it means, what it represents. And it needs to make sense within the context of the problem. So let's write that. Needs to make sense within the context of the problem. Okay? And then we rewrite our verbal phrase as an algebraic expression. Now remember, algebraic expressions have at least one variable and at least one operation. So let's look at this example. We need to write $8 more than Ryan earned as an algebraic expression. So we put that into words and we use the most important words. Well, in this case, every word is important. $8 more than Ryan earned. Well, more means that we are going to be adding. So that's our operation. We're going to let D represent the number of dollars Ryan earned. So it is 8 more than whatever D represents, which is the number of dollars Ryan earned. 8 more than D can be written as D plus 8. Let's try this next one. $10 less than the original price. Well, we need to rewrite this using the most important words only. So we can say 10 less than the original. That's not how you spell that at all. Original price. Okay, so 10 less than the original price. Less means we're going to be subtracting. Now, what variable would make sense to represent the price? I'm thinking P makes the most sense to represent the price because price starts with P. So that's what I'm going to choose. We're going to let P represent the price. So the expression is P minus 10 because that means 10 less than the original price. For number 2, 4 times the number of girls, I would like you to do this on your own. So that means you need to write the words, you need to define a variable, and you need to write the expression on your own. And we will check this tomorrow in class. So please take a moment to pause the video, do this on your own, and we will check tomorrow in class. Two-step expressions contain 2 different operations. For example, in number 3, it says write the phrase 5 less than 3 times the number of points as an algebraic expression. So we're going to follow the same steps we did before. We're going to rewrite that phrase using only the most important words. So I'll say 5 less than 3 times the number of points. So if I look at this, less means subtract, but this is a 2-step expression because there are 2 different operations. If I continue to read, it says 5 less than 3 times the number of points. Well, times is obviously multiplication. So I'm subtracting something and I'm multiplying something. Let's define a variable for the number of points. What letter makes the most sense here? That would probably be the letter P for points. So 5 less than 3 times the number of points. Well, 3 times the number of points can be written as 3P, and then 5 less than that is 3P minus 5. So the expression is 3P minus 5. Write the phrase $3 more than 2 times the cost of a pizza as an algebraic expression. So Let's do this. How about you pause the video and try this one on your own, and then press play to check your answer. And I will give you a hint to start off with. When you write your algebraic expression, you are not going to include the $sign in it. You're just going to use the number 3. So do not worry about using the $sign in the expression. Just use your numbers and your variables. So go ahead and press pause, solve, and then press play to check. So the expression for this phrase is 2c plus 3. I chose c to represent the cost of a pizza. So it's not representing pizzas, so we're not going to use a p because it's not about the number of pizzas. We're going to use a c to represent the cost. So 3 more is adding, then 2 times, that's multiplying, the cost of a pizza. So 2 times the cost is 2c, and then 3 more than that is 2c plus 3. Now you need to answer your summary questions in complete sentences, and you need to write any questions of confusion you might still have, meaning things you still do not understand about the lesson. If you do not have a question of confusion, then you need to write a problem for your group to solve in class.